Hi friends, in this session we will see how to locate your exam center for FRM or CFA exam before registering for the exam. In the ideal scenario, we all know, first you have to register for the exam and then your scheduling window will open, and in that scheduling window you can check for the nearest available exam center and what are the dates available and what are the time slots available and so on. Now the problem here is once you register for the exam and if you see or if you realize like okay, these dates are not suitable for you, you will be in trouble. So for this reason, it is better to always like check for the exam center first or the available dates first before you register for the exam. And here we will see the same thing, like how to locate the exam center and the time availability and the dates availability near you for FRM and CFA exam. So well, first we'll start with the FRM exam. Now FRM exam is conducted by the GAP, but the test is conducted by the PSI. So you have to visit the psiexams.com. Here, once you come on the psiexams.com, simply click on the exam takers and click on find your test center. Now you have this window. Here you have to search for, it won't show anything if you simply search for the FRM. Okay, so financial risk, click on search, and here you will see the matching exam. Simply click on the FRM part 1, part 2, you will see. Once you see the FRM part 1, part 2, then the window will open. Remember, here it will show the program info, then available tests and sign in option is there. You don't have to sign in and all. Simply click on the check available dates. It will show you the FRM part 1, part 2 on-site exams. Click here, then click on the continue and you will see the window again. So here I am searching for the pin code. I'm using the pin code of Delhi. Okay, just for the example, you can enter your own pin code. And here you have to select like the radius. So whatever is suitable for you, maybe you are comfortable in traveling for say 25 miles radius. Okay, so you can select that. And once you have this, then you can see for the available center. So here we are checking for or looking for the August exams. So in August, this particular center provides only one date. And let's say what is the availability for the November. So on this exam center, there are no dates available for the November. That's a problem. Okay. Now here in the New Delhi CPS Global, which is 7.48 miles away from your pin code location. So here you have dates available for November. There are 4 dates available here. And on the August, there are no dates available. Okay, so for August exam, the dates are not available. Okay, so just a second. Yeah. So 4 dates are available. If you click on say 13th, then only 2 p.m. is available. If you click here on the 14th, then you have the 2 time slots available, which is the 10 a.m. and the 2 p.m. So this is the thing here. So it is not necessary that for every date you will have the 2 time slots available. It is not necessary that based on the GAP's exam window, all the dates will be available. So you have to check for the dates availability. This is my observation, like whenever there are less number of candidates in a particular city or for the particular exam center, they tend to reduce the number of available dates. Maybe here you have say 7 dates available on the any big center, but if the center is very small, then they will give you only 2 dates. And again, the problem is maybe those 2 dates are not suitable for you and you are registering for the exam assuming like you will get a suitable date for you. And that's why I'm asking you to first check the exam center's date availability and then register for the exam. So here again, you can check the 2 dates are available. Here, just see this particular center has from the 8th till 14th. Compared to this, only 4 dates are available. Here you have almost all the dates available for the FRM part 1 exam. And again, 8 till like and so on. And here you can see the both the time slots are available. Okay. So this is how you locate the exam center and check for the date, your exam window available dates for the FRM exam. Okay, and for the CFA exam, you have to visit the Prometric. Okay, so the exam, so CFA exam is conducted by the Prometric. FRM's exam is conducted by the PSI. Okay, now come to Prometric. Once you are on the Prometric, click on the find your exam. And once you are on the find your exam, simply search for CFA. So it will open the CFA program. Click on the CFA exam. Then you have the test center exam. Okay, so locate. Click on the locate. There's some issue with my webcam. Please ignore that particular part. Okay. So now here you have select the test sponsor CFA Institute, and here you have the CFA program, and we'll select the CFA level 1. And again we will enter the same zip code, and here please note you have to select the 15-day window. So let's say we want to check for the August exam, so I'll select it from 14th, and you can select maximum 15 days. That's the problem here. So make sure you select the proper window of 15 days. So you have to enter the CAPTCHA. Once you enter the CAPTCHA, simply click on next, and here you will see the exam center. Again, the same problem. In this particular center, you have only one date available, which is 16th, and one time slot available. Here you have again same date available and the one time slot. And for this particular exam center, there are 4 dates available, and here you have the afternoon and morning session, both are available here. Then you have this particular slot. Again, this is based on like whatever is convenient for you. You can check that, and based on that you can take the decision to register for the exam or not. Okay, so that's all for this particular video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can drop your query in the comment section of this video. Thank you.